Let's start lesson 1. Me and my family. Paste the picture of your family. Paste the picture of grandfather here, picture of grandmother, picture of father, picture of mother, picture of yourself, picture of brother, picture of sister. Let's start lesson 2. Sky above us. If we look up in the open, we see the sky. We can see many things in the sky. 1. There are millions in number. They twinkle in the night. Star. 2. It is seen sometimes after the rain. It is a beautiful band of 7 colors. Rainbow. 3. It is seen in daytime. It gives light and heat on the earth. Sun. 4. It is seen in the night. It changes its shape every day. Moon. Let's start lesson 3. Our helper. Complete the following sentences. 1. At school, Dash helps me to read and write. Teacher. 2. When I get sick, the Dash examines me and gives me prescription. Doctor. 3. A Dash helps stitch our clothes. Tailor. 4. A Dash provides milk in our home. Milkman. 5. A Dash protects us from thieves and criminals. Policeman. 6. I go to Dash to mend my shoes. Cobbler. Complete the name of the following helpers. 1. M-I-L-K-M-A-N. Milkman. 2. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. 3. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. 4. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Policeman. 5. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Let's start lesson 4. Places of worship. Write the correct name of the following places of worship. 1. Temple. 2. Masjid. 3. Church. 4. Gurudwara. Let's start lesson 5. Houses. We live in a house with our family. A house protects us from sunlight, rain, dust, cold, animals and thieves. There are many rooms in my house. My mother cooks food in the kitchen. We all eat food together in the dining room. We welcome our guest in the drawing room. Me and my sister study in the study room. We take a bath in the bathroom. We take rest and sleep in the bedroom. Type of houses. Complete the names of the following houses. 1. T-E-N-T. Tent. 2. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Bungalow. 3. H-U-T. Hut. 4. H-O-U-S-E-B-O-A-T. Houseboat. 5. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. 6. F-L-A-T. Flat. 7. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Carva. For you. Igloo is also known as snow house because they are made up of snow. Let's start lesson 6. Our body. Our body is a wonderful machine. It has many parts. Hair, eyebrow, eye, ear, nose, teeth, tongue, finger, chest, wrist, arm, stomach, hand, thigh, knee, leg, ankle, foot, toe. Let's start lesson 7. Day by day. A. Fill in the blanks with right answer. 1. How many days make a week? 7 days. 2. How many months in a year have 31 days? 7 months. 3. In a leap year, how many days are there in February? 29 days. 4. In a leap year, how many months have 30 days? 4 months. 5. On which month we celebrate New Year? 31st December. 6. How many weeks are there in a year? 52 weeks. B. Write the correct order of the days. 1. Sunday. 2. Monday. 3. Tuesday. 4. Wednesday. 5. Thursday. 6. Friday. 7. Saturday. For you, the ancient Egyptians were the first to use 24 hours to divide the day. They divided the day into 12 hours from sunrise to sunset and the night into a further 12 hours from sunset to sunrise. Let's start Lesson 8 Story Time. Look at the pictures given below and write the names of the stories by using help box. 1. Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. 2. A Goose with the Golden Eggs. 3. Love Kush. 4. The Crow and the Water Pitcher. 5. Cinderella. 6. Rapunzel. 7. The Ugly Duckling. 8. Robin Hood. 9. The Hare and the Tortoise. 10. The Magic Mirror. 11. Ali Baba and 40 Thieves. Help box. Rapunzel, The Crow and the Water Pitcher, Robin Hood, The Hare and the Tortoise, Cinderella, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp, The Ugly Duckling, The Magic Mirror, A Goose with the Golden Eggs, Ali Baba and 40 Thieves, Love Kush. Let's start Lesson 9 I Have Cartoons. Here are some pictures of famous cartoon characters. Match these characters to correct cartoon show. 1. Chhota Bheem. 2. Tom and Jerry. 3. Scooby-Doo. 4. Donald Duck. 5. Mickey Mouse. 6. Noddy. 7. Shin-chan. Let's start Lesson 10 Odd One Out. Read the following words on each board. There is one word that does not fit in each group. Cross it. One has been done. 1. Apple, banana, mango, orange, dog. Cross out dog. 2. Tree, dog, fox, lion, cat. Cross out tree. 3. Sunflower, tulip, water, daisy, rose. Cross out water. 4. Eid, Diwali, Holi, Onam, spider. Cross out spider. 5. Cricket, flag, badminton, tennis, football. Cross out flag. 6. Flower, seeds, bud, stem, house. Cross out house. Let's start Lesson 11 Opposites. Look at the pictures and write the opposite of the following words. 1. On, under. 2. Down, up. 3. Fat, thin. 4. Long, short. 5. Girl, boy. 6. Big, small. Let's start brain test quiz 1. A. Complete the name of the following helpers. 1. DOCTOR, doctor. 2. TAILOR, tailor. 3. TEACHER, teacher. B. Look at the pictures given below and write the names of the stories. 1. Rapunzel. 2. The Magic Mirror. 3. Robin Hood. C. Write opposite words. 1. Up, down. 2. Long, short. 3. On, under. 4. Fat, thin. 5. Girl, boy. 6. Big, small. Let's start lesson 12. Games we play. Games are the best way to refresh ourselves. Match each picture with the correct game. 1. Cricket. 2. Baseball. 3. Tennis. 4. Basketball. 5. Hockey. 6. Golf. For you. The National Hockey League NHL was founded on November 22, 1917. Let's start lesson 13. Board games. A board game is a game that involves counters or pieces moved or placed on a pre-marked surface or board according to a set of rules. 1. Carom. 2. Clue. 3. Chess. 4. Ludo. 5. Snakes and ladders. Help box. Clue, Ludo, snakes and ladders, carom, chess. Let's start lesson 14. Great Indian players. Which sports are these players famous for? 1. Dhanraj Pillai, hockey. 2. Sachin Tendulkar, cricket. 3. PT Usha, athletes. 4. Vishwanathan Anand, chess. 5. Saina Nehwal, badminton. 6. Vijender Singh, boxing. 7. Sania Mirza, tennis. Help box, cricket, boxing, chess, hockey, athletes, badminton, tennis.
Lesson 15. Start. Imagine the world around us. Unit 4. Match the following moments with the correct country. देखिए, ब्राज़ील, इंडोनेशिया, फ्रांस, मैक्सिको, यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका और रूस, ये 6 ऑप्शन हमें दे रखे हैं। फर्स्ट नंबर पर हमारा है टावर। ये टावर जो बना हुआ है ये फ्रांस में है, तो इसको हम फ्रांस से अटैक कर देंगे। दूसरे देखिए, ये जो हमारा बना हुआ है ये हमारा बना हुआ है रूस में, तो इसको रूस से यहाँ कनेक्ट कर देंगे। वेरी गुड। तीसरा जो बेटा हमारा बना हुआ है वो तीसरा हमारा बना हुआ है फ्रांस में, तो इस स्टैटू को फ्रांस से मिला देंगे। देखिए, पहले वाला फ्रांस से मिला देंगे, दूसरा रूस से मिला देंगे और तीसरा यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका से स्टैटू को मिला देंगे। ये इस तरह, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट बच्चा हमारा आता है 4th ये हमारा फोर्थ बना हुआ है मैक्सिको में, और ये फिफ्थ जो हमारा बना हुआ है यह है ब्राज़ील में। जो सिक्स हमारी बनी हुई है यह है इंडोनेशिया में। तो बच्चों हम क्या करेंगे, ये नंबर फोर्थ को हम मिला देंगे मैक्सिको से। इस तरह से ये आएंगे और मैक्सिको पर अटैच कर देंगे, ठीक। और नंबर 5 को हम मिला देंगे ए पर, ब्राज़ील पर। देखिए ब्राज़ील से और फिफ्थ और 6 हमारा है इंडोनेशिया पर, हम इसको मैच कर देंगे। वेरी गुड।
Let's start lesson 16, countries and flags. The Indian national flag was designed as a symbol of freedom. It is a horizontal tricolor in equal proportion of deep saffron on the top, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom. At the center of the white band is a wheel in blue color, which is the famous Ashok Chakra. The wheel has 24 spokes. The flag of United Kingdom or Great Britain and Northern Ireland is sometimes called the Union Jack. It has red, white and blue color. The national flag of Pakistan is a green field with the white crescent moon and red star at its center and a vertical white stripe at the hoist side. The China flag has 5 yellow stars on the upper left side on a red background. The red background symbolizes the revolution and the blood of those who died during the Civil War and the Japans. The Australian flag came into being after the Federation of the Australian States into the Commonwealth of Australia on 1st January 1901. The national flag of Japan is a white rectangular flag with a large red disc in the center. The flag of Russia has 3 equal bands, white at the topmost, blue in the middle and red at the bottom. The colors on the Russian flag represent the following: white, honesty and peace; red, strength, valor, hardiness; blue, vigilance, truth and royalty, perseverance and justice. Let's do ourselves. What are the colors of the Indian flag? A. SAFFRON, saffron, for courage and sacrifice. B. WHITE, white, for purity and truth. C. GREEN, green, for faith and fertility. D. BLUE, blue, wheel, for progress. Let's start lesson 17, landmark of countries. The city and the landmark in each row belongs to the some country. Complete the following words to write the name of the countries they are found in. Use help box. 1. INDIA, India. 2. DUBAI, Dubai. 3. ITALY, Italy. 4. LONDON, London. 5. AUSTRALIA, Australia. Help box. Dubai, Australia, London, India, Italy. Let's start brain test quiz 2. A. Write the correct name of game. 1. Snakes and ladders. 2. Carom. 3. Chess. B. Look at the pictures and tell which sports are these players famous for. 1. Boxing. 2. Cricket. 3. Badminton. C. Match the flag with correct country. 1. India. 2. Japan. 3. United Kingdom. 4. Pakistan. Let's start lesson 18, My India. India is the second most populous country in the world after China. It has many different cultures, climates, religions and languages. Look at the map of India given below. Circle the state where you live in. Map of India. Let's do ourselves. A. Complete the following sentences by using help box. Help box. Bay of Bengal, Independent, Himalayas, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. 1. The Great Dash is situated in the west of India. Arabian Sea. 2. In the north, there is the Dash. Himalayas. 3. The Dash is to the west of our country. Indian Ocean. 4. In the east, there is the Dash. Bay of Bengal. 5. On 15th of August 1947, India became Dash, independent. B. Answer the following question. Use help box. Help box. 3. Khadi. 24. The lion capital of Ashoka. 1. From which symbol has the wheel in the center of the Indian flag been taken? The lion capital of Ashoka. 2. How many colors can we see on the flag of India? 3. 3. How many spokes does the wheel of the Indian flag have? 24. 4. What kind of cloth is used to make the national flag of India? Khadi. Let's start lesson 19, Famous Leaders of World. Martin Luther King Jr. fought for the right of the African American people in the United States of America. Nelson Mandela fought for the equality of the people in South Africa. He became the President of South America. He received the Nobel Prize for Peace. The Dalai Lama is a religious leader from Tibet. He teaches people across the world to be peaceful and kind. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Aung San Suu Kyi is a political leader who has been fighting for democracy in Myanmar. Barack Obama became the first African American president of United States of America. He won the Nobel Prize for Peace in 2009. Match the pictures of the leaders with the pictures of the things connected with them. 1. Jawaharlal Nehru. Children. 2. Nawaz Sharif, Pakistan. 3. Queen Elizabeth II, the Royal Guards. 4. Mahatma Gandhi, Charkha. Let's start lesson 20, National Festivals. We all know that India is a land of festivals. India celebrates national festivals such as Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Write the correct date of celebration using help box. Help box. 26 January, 15th August, 2nd October. 1. Independence Day is celebrated on Dash. The Prime Minister hoists the Indian flag at the ramparts of the historic site of the Red Fort in Delhi. 15th August. 2. Republic Day is celebrated on Dash. 26 January. 3. Gandhi Jayanti is a national holiday celebrated on Dash in India to mark the occasion of the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, 2nd October. Let's start lesson 21, Leaders of Indian Freedom. India has produced a plethora of great leaders. Some of them have played a vital part in Indian freedom struggle, while others have taken India to great heights post-independence. 1. Mahatma Gandhi. 2. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. 3. Indira Gandhi. 4. Chandrasekhar Azad. 5. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 6. Sarojini Naidu. 7. Lal Bahadur Shastri. 8. Bhagat Singh. Let's start Lesson 22, National Symbols of India. Look at the pictures and write the correct name of our national symbols. Use help box. Help box: mango, peacock, lotus, hockey, tiger, Satyamev Jayate. 1. National flower of India: lotus. 2. National fruit of India: mango. 3. National emblem of India: Satyamev Jayate. 4. National animal of India: tiger. 5. National bird of India: peacock. 6. National game of India: hockey. Let's start Lesson 23, our monuments. Read the clues to write the name of these monuments. Use help box. Help box: Gateway of India, Hawa Mahal, Taj Mahal, India Gate, Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid. 1. Famous as one of the wonders: Taj Mahal. 2. Highest stone tower in India: Qutub Minar. 3. It stands across the road in front of the Red Fort: Jama Masjid. 4. Grand and magnificent landmark of Mumbai: Gateway of India. 5. Situated on the Rajpath in New Delhi: India Gate. 6. This beautiful monument of India was built by Maharaja Swami Pratap Singh: Hawa Mahal. For you, India Gate was built to memorialize the 70,000 Indian soldiers who lost their lives during the First World War fighting for the British Army. Let's start Lesson 24, A Seed Grows. Let's see how to a pea seed growing into a plant. 1. The seed falls on the ground and gets buried inside. 2. After some days, a small shoot comes out of the seed. 3. After some days, some small shoot and 2 or more leaves comes out of the seed. 4. After some few days, leaves grow out of the baby plant. 5. Then the pea plant grows into a big creeper. 6. After few weeks, the plant starts to flower. 7. Then new fruits grow on the plant, the pea pods which have pea seed inside. Let's start Lesson 25, Music Instruments. A music instrument is a device that created or adapted to make musical sounds. Look at the pictures and write correct number in given boxes. A. 5. Flute. B. 7. Ektara. C. 2. Tabla. D. 6. Drum. E. 4. Violin. F. 8. Sitar. G. 1. Dhol. H. 3. Guitar. For you, Zakir Hussain is a famous Indian tabla player. He was awarded the Padam Shri in 1988 and the Padam Bhushan in 2002 by the Government of India. Let's start Lesson 26, Movie Magic. Look at the movie posters and match with their names. 1. The Wizard of Oz. 2. Harry Potter. 3. Krish. 4. Kung Fu Panda. 5. Stanley Ka Dabba. 6. My Friend Ganesha. Let's start Lesson 27, Animals. We see different kinds of animals around us. There are some wild animals and some pet animals. Wild animals are those animals which live in forest. Pet animals are those animals which we keep in home. Look at the pictures and write W for wild animals and P for pet animals in the given boxes. 1. W. 2. P. 3. W. 4. W. 5. W. 6. P. 7. W. 8. W. 9. P. 10. W. 11. P. 12. W. 13. P. 14. P. 15. W. For you. In 1996, a sheep named Dolly was the first mammal to be cloned from a somat. Let's start Lesson 28, Animals, Sounds and Their Little Ones. A. Match the name of each animal with the sound they make. 1. Cat. B. 7. Meow. 2. Pig. E. 8. Oink. 3. Cow. H. 6. Moo. 4. Goat. A. 3. Bleat. 5. Snake. C. 2. Hiss. 6. Horse. D. 1. Neigh. 7. Frog. G. 4. Croak. 8. Dog. F. 5. Wolf. B. Write the correct name by using help box. Help box. Puppy. Chick. Piglet. Lamb. Cub. Duckling. 1. Duck. Duckling. 2. Pig. Piglet. 3. Dog. Puppy. 4. Tiger. Cub. 5. Sheep. Lamb. 6. Hen. Chick. Let's start Lesson 29, Fruits and Vegetables. A. Complete the word puzzle. Across. 3. Grapes. 7. Apple. 5. Strawberry. 6. Lemon. 9. Banana. 10. Pineapple. Down. 1. Watermelon. 2. Pear. 4. Orange. 8. Peach. B. Look at the pictures and write their names. Use help box. Help box. Tomato. Pea. Onion. Radish. Bean. Carrot. Pumpkin. 1. Carrot. 2. bean. 3. Peas. 4. Pumpkin. 5. Radish. 6. Tomato. 7. Onion. Let's start lesson 30, seasons. We already know when the weather remains the same for a long period, it is called a season. There are 3 main seasons. Match the following seasons with the correct picture. 1. B. Summer season. 2. C. Winter season. 3. A. Rainy season. 4. D. Autumn season.
Chapter 31st, Computer. Ravi father has bought him a new computer. All his friends came to see his new system. Help Ravi to tell his friends about the different parts of the computer. First, monitor. Second, speaker. Third, keyboard. Fourth, CPU. Fifth, CD drive. Sixth, floppy drive. Seventh, mouse. And 8th, printer.
Let's start lesson 32, traveling. Look at the pictures and complete their names. 1. CYCLE, cycle. 2. TRAIN, train. 3. BUS, bus. 4. CAR, car. 5. SCOOTER, scooter. 6. BOAT, boat. 7. SHIP, ship. 8. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. For you, air transport is a high-speed means of transport. Passengers can travel to high speeds from one place to the other.
तो बच्चों चैप्टर 33 में हम कलर करेंगे। कलर आप समझते हैं, जैसा आपको अच्छा लगे अपनी मर्जी के अनुसार कलर करें। हिंट्स नीचे दे रखा है। उसके बाद चलिए चैप्टर 34 जो कि एक गेम टाइमिंग चैप्टर है, ये हम क्लास में मैम से या सर से पूछ कर खेलेंगे। ठीक है बच्चों, ये हमारा गेम है।
Fun with words. A. Find the names on the grid given below. 1. Kajol. 2. Sonu Nigam. 3. Alia Bhatt. 4. Amir Khan. 5. Aishwarya Rai. 6. Madhuri Dixit. 7. Shah Rukh Khan. P. 5. W. 6. P. Take right on correct answer. 1. Plum. 2. Bean. 3. Onion. 4. Orange.